Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to sit down and do a quick makeup look of the look that I've been doing. I've been doing like a quick, easy makeup look lately because it's been like so hot and then with the virus and everything. And I've just been using a little bit of product compared to the products that I was using in the past. I've been using this one palette for like eyes and cheek and stuff like that. Anyway, let's just jump right into it. And so I've primed my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray that you guys know I'm so much in love with. And I put a little bit of her Flawless filter in shade 7 as a base for foundation. And I'm going in with her Flawless foundation in the shade 14C. And I put like just this amount because it's so pigmented. It's not even like a full pump. And I just go in dot, 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 and then I blend it out. And as you can see, guys, this covered my entire face. And look. There's still some left on the back of my hand. That's how little you need. So if you're going to purchase this foundation, or if you've been using this foundation and you don't like it, maybe you're putting too much, I would suggest maybe half a pump. And this is from somebody who loved a full coverage foundation. All right, and for concealer, guys, I discovered the Kylie, her skin concealer. I had the shade Chai. My friends had me try it, and I really like it. It's not matte. It's almost like a satin kind of dewy, but I love this concealer. The Shy was a little kind of too pinkish peaches, but it's like a nice highlight color. But I bought the shade Almond, and I like this concealer a lot. I was like so surprised at how good it is. And it, although it's like not matte, it's been like lasting me like pretty much like the whole day before you can see like some separation. It's a really good concealer. I don't know if you guys own this concealer, but I am very pleasantly surprised. I love the way it looks on my skin. I think it's so pretty, and it looks, like she said, like skin. It's very skin-like and very pretty. I love the formula of it. I know some people had said it was a Colourpop dupe. I think some people, oh, she's just, it's Colourpop. I don't know, because I don't own the Colourpop concealer. But if the Colourpop concealer is anything like this and it's that price, I'll be happy to try it. Alright, so now that that's blended out, I haven't been using cream contour. I've been bypassing that. I've just been setting my under eye, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury, what is this? I was running down the stairs. I'm using her Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I'm using it in shade 3, and I just set my under eye with it. And this is so good, this color for under eye, if you like my skin tone. I'm NC50 in MAC, if you're watching my video for the first time. All right, so now for my eyes, I've been doing really simple eye makeup. And I've been obsessed with these Colourfix nudes from Danessa Myricks Beauty. I've spoken about her so much on my channel. But if you're into beauty and you love everything makeup, follow her on Instagram. Her work is amazing. So I had bought these Colourfix a while back, but they were in the brighter shades. I think I had like a pink and I had a hard time working with them. And then she came out with, and so I don't really reach for those, and she came out with the nude ones. And I don't know if she changed the formula, but these are so much easier to work with. I don't have a problem. I don't struggle anymore. So I've been obsessed with these 3. I've since ordered 2 more. They actually on the way to me, they're in the mail. I've been using this shade a lot. This is shade 9, so I got shade 9, shade 12, and this is shade 5. So I've just been putting it on my eye and my lip. Sometimes I've been putting it on my cheek. These are great. They're, you know, they're multi-use. You can use it like for whatever. All right, so these are the 3 shades swatched, guys, and they're so pretty. And I think she has like a total of like 15 or 16 shades if you're interested. They retail for $18. You get a lot. I think it will last you a very long time because you just need like a little bit. All right, so this is how I've been doing my eyes, and I'm taking shade 9, which is this shade right here. So pretty. It's like a pretty chocolate, and you guys know I love this kind of chocolate. And I've been going in with a brush, and I'm going to be looking down in my mirror that's here, and I've just been covering my entire lid with it, and it dries down like matte, guys. So like if you look at her, if you go to her Instagram page, she's been featuring these Colourfix nudes a lot lately. Like the model that she used just literally has this on with mascara, and it looks amazing. It's such a simple, elegant, just like beautiful nude look. And you guys know I love anything nude. And so, yeah, I've been obsessed. And I can't wait to get the other 2 that I ordered. I think I ordered 4 and 10 because those were the colors I think her model was actually using in the picture that she posted. All right, so once I have this on, I do nothing else. I don't put a powder over it. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of maybe color in the center, but I like leaving it like this for like a quick look. And then I'll take my Natasha Denona, the bronze cheek palette that I've been obsessed with. I've used this so much, and I'm gonna I usually take this color right here, and I put it like on my brow bone for a pop of color. And then I would also put it in my tear duct area for a pop of color, and I'll bring it onto my lower lash line. So I'll just have this beautiful chocolate brown color on the lid, and just a little bit of that here, and that has been my eye look, and I have been loving it, guys. All right, I'm back with my lashes and liner, and so of course the lashes is going to give it a pop. And this has been my eye look, and I have been loving it. It's very simple, just one product on the eye and a little bit of highlighting. All right, and then I've been setting my face with shade 4 in this Charlotte Tilbury powder. It already has a dent in it. I can see I'm going to be repurchasing it this soon, and I tend to put a little bit more like in my laugh lines. I find it holds the makeup very nicely when I put a little bit more there, because I have like such deep smile lines. Product love to go sit in there and look gross, so that's always like a big concern for me. And I'm gonna list the names of these Sonia G brushes that I'm using in the description box, in case you guys are wondering which ones I'm using, but it's her Sky Face Set. All right, and then after that, I've just been going in with powder bronzer, of course. And like I always say, I don't really like my contour to be like really sculpted. I like it to more look like a shadow. So I like using this fluffy brush, number 80 from Sephora. And I just go on my cheek, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the deepest shade. I think it's shade 4. Also obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with her entire Airbrush Flawless line. I think it's so pretty, and I like to bring a little bit right up on my temple. I think it creates like a beautiful shadow, especially like when you turn to the side. And I don't mind getting some on my cheekbone either. I think it actually looks very pretty that way. When you have some on your cheek, you create like this little shadow. And of course, I put on my forehead. When I put it on my forehead, I don't really like to like go all the way here and stuff, because my face is small to begin with. I don't really want to change the shape of my face. I just want to connect where I started on my cheek to create that beautiful shadow. And I usually get carried away with this bronzer a lot, but I love the fact that it's so, well, airbrushed. that it deposits a nice amount even when I get a little heavy-handed. And then after that, I've been using the same Natasha Denona palette, so I've been saving time on like grabbing different products. And I've been using the same bronze palette for my cheek. I'm highlighting and like I'm combining highlighter and blush together because I love blush. And I've been using the two bottom shades. Maybe when it gets cooler, I start using the cream shades. I've been mixing these two together for a beautiful flush on my cheek. That looks really highlighted and pretty, in my opinion. And then whatever's left on the brush, I've just been going on the tip of my nose. So you see, everything's so simple, and you pretty much just using like very little products. And then of course, I'm going to set everything with her setting spray. Alright, so for lips, I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner her lip liner in True Brown K. Now I keep coming back to this pencil because I was using Colourpop CTRL. I love that pencil, but it has a little bit of red in it. I just want something that is just totally brown. Like most of the lip liners I have, even her sister's lip liner, the KKW, there's some red in there. This is, I mean, this True Brown K, I mean, you know, self-explanatory. This really is just a brown lip liner. I just hate the fact that I can buy it by itself. Like somebody had told me, oh, on her website you can get it alone. No, it's coming with the kit, you know? So I actually got this on Macari. Somebody was selling it by itself and I grabbed it because it's, I don't know why she just don't sell this separately. But the color is fantastic. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna combine, I'm gonna do shade 9 and shades 12. I don't own a lip brush, guys. I realize I don't own a lip brush. I have to, this setting spray, I have to purchase a lip brush. I've been using my fingers with these. I think I put too much. So I'm gonna start off with a dark shade first. Isn't that pretty? I think it's so pretty, and you don't need a lot because, like, look, there's some left on my hand. I just tap, 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 and it dries down matte, and it's so pretty. And then in the center, I'm gonna go in with shade 9. This is a shade I used on my lids, and I'll just, like, you know, kind of tap this around in the center. I love this combo. Sometimes I use the very light shade, shade 5 as well, but today I just want to keep it like really chocolatey. Alright, so this is the way everything looks. And as you can see, it's very quick, very easy, but still, you know, you look like you're made up, but it looks very natural and pretty, in my opinion. And as far as the lips, I've been using it matte, so I wanted you guys to see it matte as well. But then also for a little pop, I've been putting a gloss over top. I didn't bring my magnifying glass, but this is from Nars. This is one of their lip lacquers. I'm gonna have it listed in the description box. And I've been putting a little bit of this right in the center. I think that has been looking like so pretty as well. But these Colourfix, guys, I would so encourage you, like, if you know, if you like to collect makeup and try new things, to try the Colourfix. I'm still not sure about the colorful ones, because like I said, I'd always struggled with those. But this nude collection, so pretty. When I get the other two shades that I order, I know one of them is 4. I don't remember. I think 4 and 10 I ordered. When I get those, I'm definitely going to try to feature it again on my channel. But I absolutely just love these. They're so easy to work with. You can create such quick looks with them. And the next time I use it, I'm going to try to put it on my cheek, that you guys see how it works. It doesn't lift your foundation off or anything. They're really nice. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I enjoy doing videos like this. I hope you guys enjoy them too. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.